lovely little friends. Welcome to a brand new year. Happy New Year 2026. Let's begin this fresh year with gentle breaths and peaceful smiles. Feel your body relax and your heart feel light and happy. Move slowly, breathe softly, and enjoy this quiet moment together. Take a deep breath in, and slowly breathe out. This new year is full of love, calm, and beautiful yoga moments. Let's start our magical yoga time. you, my sweet little friends. You did yoga so gently and beautifully today. As this new year begins, feel calm, happy, and peaceful inside. Take one slow deep breath in, and softly breathe out. May this new year 2026 bring you smiles, health, and kindness. Keep this peaceful feeling with you always. I'll see you again very soon.